This is Muhammad Zahid with Engineering Training Platform. From this training platform, you will able to learn step-by-step PLC and to get high score in interview and certification. Let's start with lecture number 4. It contains PLC hardware, modular PLC, CPU module, power supply modules, signal modules, communication modules, and special purpose modules. And I already explained in my previous lecture about the PLC history, PLC sequence of operation, IO devices and their components, and the links already shared. and each module is configured at installation. And this configuration includes the assignment of a module address. This address together with the module type also identifies the location of image table status bit for the connecting inputs and outputs. In the picture, I already explained about the digital input signal modules. The number one you can see, this is the CPU, and next of the CPU, digital input signal modules, and analog output signal modules, and then digital output signal modules, and next the power supply communication modules. By this we have to install on the mounting rail. Let's start to discuss about the communication module. A field bus is an industrial network used for the control distribution. A field bus is Profibus DP, and the leading field bus standard which is developed by Profibus and Profinet International PI. Here in the figure A, I explain the master PLC. They are connecting with the local area network, and all the RTUs are connecting with the same line. And this purple color they are indicating for the Profibus DP. With the growth in information technology, the need for the control system to communicate with the IT system increased. An IT system often communicate via Ether local area network. However, IT system is not suitable for industrial communication, so industrial Ethernet was developed. Profinet is the leading industrial Ethernet standard. Here in the picture I shown the Profinet, the green color are indicating the Profinet DP, where we are using in the industrial Ethernet for the local area network. The workstation, servers, the master PLC are connecting with the same line. The redundancy PLCs, RTUs, they are connecting with the same line. In the below they are indicating the purple color. This purple color is Profibus DP. Here also there is PLCs and RTUs are connecting with one hub where they are coordinating together for Profinet and the Profibus. PLC CPU often has one or more ports for a specific type of communication. You can see in the picture on your right we have the CPU, and the Profinet ports are connecting with this CPU, and the different type of communication modules are connecting with these CPUs, and we can use the different type of communication by Profibus or by others network. When additional network ports are required or when a different type of connection is needed, then communication modules are added to the configuration. For example, S7-1200 and S7-1500 CPU at least one Profinet port. Now we are going to discuss about the special purpose module. These PLC are very fast and have many types of signal modules, but some tasks require special purpose modules. Many of these modules are designed for closed loop control application, which controlling process or machines in response to a feedback signal from a sensor. A control loop may require a special purpose modules because of the type of the sensor, control device or algorithm used. A control algorithm is a set of rules or calculation that define the control process. Here in the picture I explain that controller has the set points, and the controller will send the information to the control device, and through control device the machine or process will be controlled. And after that, if required some information, then machines will send the information to the controller through sensor. Because the sensor, here we are using the type of the sensor which can get the information from the machine and give feedback to the controller. The controller through PID, they will check the set points. By this way the complete cycle will be complete and it will be flow again as per the requirement. In addition to closed loop control application, PLC use a special purpose module for controlling or generation of high frequency pulses. S7 1500 PLC have technology modules for high-speed counting and measurement application. You can see in the picture for modules of S7 1500. This is end of lecture. Please help to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.